Come test drive this 2018 Subaru XV Crosstrek. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated seats, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.